Good morning. For Lesson 4, we are going to count by units of 6 to multiply and divide using number bonds to decompose. Let's take a look at number 2 on the problem set. It says count by 6 to fill in the blanks below. So 6, 12, 18, 24. Complete the multiplication equation that represents the final number in your count by. So that means I need to see how many times did I count by 6, and that is 4. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Now it says to complete the division equation that represents your count by. Now remember, in division, just like subtraction, the largest number needs to go first in our sentence. So we already used 6, so that means our answer is going to be 4. Let's take a look at number 4. It says Mrs. Burns' class skip counts by 6 for a group counting activity. When she points up, they count up by 6, and when she points down, they count down by 6. The arrows show when she changes direction. Fill in the blanks below to show the group counting answers. So here I see that the arrow is up, so I'm going to keep counting up until I get to the down arrow. So 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. So now I need to go down, and I see that I have 18 and 12. Then it says I need to go up. So I'm back to 18, then 24, 30, 36. Then I need to go down, so I'll have 30, 24, 18. Then I need to go up again. So 24, then 30, 36, and 42, and then 48. Mrs. Burns says the last number that the class counts is the product of 6 and another number. Write a multiplication sentence and a division sentence to show she is right. So 6 times something equals 48. Well, we did a lot of skip counting, but we also changed directions a lot. So let's count by 6s until we get to 48. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48. So let's see how long we had to count for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. Hey, that rhymes. And then 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Let's take a look at number 5. It says Julie counts by 6 to solve 6 times 7. She says the answer is 36. Is she right? Explain your answer. Go ahead and solve this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. I'm just going to erase this right here, just so that we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so it says that she counts by 6 to solve 6 times 7. So if I count by 6, it means that I need to count 7 times. So let's try that. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. And let's see how far I've counted so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I've counted 7 times and I got an answer of 42. In the problem it says Julie says that the answer is 36. Is she right? So I'm going to write my statement to say no, she is not correct. Now I'm going to write down to explain what I did. So when I counted by 6s 7 times, I got 42. Your assignment is to work on the problem set, number 1 and number 3. Check your answers with the answer key at the front of the room. Make sure your problem set goes in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Next, grab an exit ticket. Put your name on it and complete it on your own. When you're finished, make sure it goes in the turn-in tray. Great job today. I'll see you next time.